In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your bank account on eBay quickly and efficiently. This process is essential if you're looking to receive your sales payouts directly into your bank account, ensuring a smooth transaction experience while selling on eBay. First off, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and sign in using your usual credentials. This is an important first step as you need to be logged in to access the various settings required for verification. Once you're signed in, navigate to your account's payment settings. You can do this by clicking on your name located in the top corner of the eBay homepage, then selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you directly to the settings page. Over on the left-hand side of the page, you'll find a menu where you need to click on Payments. This section is where you'll manage all your payment preferences. Now, it's time to add your bank account information. Look for the payout options and click on Add a Bank Account. You'll need to enter your bank details here, which include your account number, routing number, or IBAN, depending on what country you're in. Be sure to double check these details as entering them incorrectly can delay the verification process. After you've added your bank details, eBay will take the next step by sending 1 to 2 small deposits, often referred to as micro deposits, to your bank account. This crucial step ensures that the bank account you've linked is indeed yours. Typically, these deposits show up in your account within 1 to 3 business days. However, sometimes they might arrive even quicker, so keep an eye on your bank transactions over the following days. Once these deposits have landed in your bank account, you need to confirm them on eBay. Return to your payment settings on the eBay site and select Verify Bank Account. You'll be prompted to enter the exact amounts of the deposits eBay sent you. Accurately entering these amounts is crucial for completing the verification process. And just like that, you're done. With your bank account now verified, eBay will start sending your sales payouts directly to the account you've linked. This ensures you have quick and easy access to your earnings, enhancing your overall selling experience on the platform. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your eBay journey.